Hi there. The Yale 3109 is a premium quality mortise lock for use in residential applications. In this video, we'll talk you through step-by-step how to install the Yale 3109. This guide is for professional installers or advanced DIYers only. So if that's not you, you might want to get a pro in to help out. You can also refer to the fitting instructions PDF here, which is downloadable on our website. Okay, before you start, take everything out of the box and check it's all there. You'll also need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and some pliers. Let's start with the lock body. Step 1. Make sure the door has been blown out fully of machine swarf. Any extra metal filings in there could short out the lock, so it's an important step. Next, make sure the escape function screws are on the inside of the lock body. Then, set the handing of the lock. Pull and twist to change direction, like so. Then remove the black plastic keeper. Now you're ready to fit the lock body in the door. Feed the cable through the middle hole to the inside. Make sure the cable can move freely and doesn't get trapped or pinched once the lock body is screwed in. Now let's move on to the keypad. Hold the keypad up to the door edge and mark the tail bar at the center of the lock. For a standard 40mm door, this is the bottom notch. Trim the tail bar just below this mark and ensure that there are no rough burrs. Now fit the keypad onto the door, ensuring that the tail bar is vertical, like this. Then fit the steel mounting plate on the inside of the door to hold the external keypad in place. Feed the white cable through the top slot and the black cable through the smaller hole furthest from the latch. Now choose the correct length screws for the door. Again, for a 40mm door, these will be the shortest lengths provided, and tighten them. Not too much though, or it might compress the door and bind the lock. Next, take your screwdriver and check the operation of the bolt on the inside to make sure that it throws easily. Also, check it can't be pushed back in when thrown. If it can, you'll need to remove the external keypad, turn the tail bar 90 degrees and put it back on again. Now for the internal half. Hold the internal half of the lock up to the door and mark the tail bar at the center of the lock. Trim just below this line and remove any burrs as before. Next, plug the white and black cables into the circuit board, like so. As much as you can, push the spare white cable back into the door cavity. And make sure that the wires won't be nipped when you fit the internal half. Now fit the internal half to the mounting plate with the 4 screws provided. Once fitted, test the internal snib moves freely and also test the keys in the lock, ensuring the bolt can't be pushed back in each time. Finally, now the lock's installed, insert the 4 AA batteries provided and check everything works. Make sure the middle button under the battery cover is sticking out. The green color should be showing on the lock-unlock switch. Last but not least, the strike. Hold up the white strike pocket and the strike to the frame and screw both into place using the screws provided. The white strike pocket must be used to ensure the correct clearance for the bolt. If you have any problems with installation of the strike, a strike kit for aluminium frames is available separately from Yale. This provides a rolled lip and includes required packets for the fitment. And we're done. The Yale 3109 digital door lock, all safely installed. Now it's time for programming, which you can learn all about in the next video. I'll see you then.